Thank you for walking with me again on this windy Edinburgh day. Trying to zoom in on the heather to show you what is at the base of the monument to Scotland's poet, Robbie Burns. You can see the lions. Do you know the national animal of Scotland? It is not a lion. It is the unicorn. I kid you not. Let's come up and take another look at this monument. And wonderful foliage along this street. And I'm on Regent's Road. If you are an armchair traveler, look it up and see, have a look at a map and see where I am. That's Arthur's Seat over there. If you have a handle on where Waverley train station is, and if you were to walk out from Waverley train station and head in the direction opposite Edinburgh Castle toward the Balmoral Hotel, which has a clock tower that's really lovely, you can't miss it. And you continue walking past the Balmoral Hotel, you'll be on Princess Road. Stay to the right, keep walking, and depending on how leisurely a walk you like, in no time at all, you will be at Calton Hill, where I just saw the various monuments, the Playfair Monument, Playfair, and much more. And here, the monument to Robert Burns. I do believe the building across the street is no longer in use, or not currently in use. And here's a little bit about the Burns Monument, if you'd like to read it. Built almost 200 years ago. And Robbie Burns did live from 759 to 1796, 37 years or 36 years, depending on his birth dates. The mountain daisy, the harebell, foxglove, briar rose, birch, and hawthorn. Ah, it's the Royal High School across the road. My goodness. I don't know about you, but it's not a zebra dog. It's the effect of the light. But our schools looked nothing like that.